Hello, mate. Guess what I got?
Is it my belated birthday present?
No.
Oh, you did say that was in the post, I suppose.
Right. Actually, what I do have is something even better. It's the new Pixel 6a. Yeah?
And it's new. Can we open it?
Yes. Yeah, go on, do the honours, mate.
And there it is, the same iconic design we saw on the Pixel 6 with the camera bar at the top.
Yeah, it is. Let's have a look. What else do we get in the box? Let's have a little look. Hold that for a second. Okay, so it looks like we've got our quick switch adapter. We've got our USB-C cable. We've got our quick start guide and our SIM removal tool. Actually, I'll tell you what, you take this and I'll take this. So, the Pixel 6a has the same tactile alloy frame and fingerprint resistant coating as the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, along with that 8 megapixel front facing camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide on the back. And this is the first A-series camera with Google Tensor built in, that same great processor that powers Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro.
But there are a few differences to Pixel 6. Pixel 6a is lighter and the screen is slightly smaller at 6.1 inches. While the tactile alloy frame may be the same as Pixel 6, we have Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on the front and a thermoformed composite on the back. And Pixel 6a has an IP67 rating.
And let's not forget, it's available in 3 fantastic colours: chalk, charcoal, and my favourite, sage.
It is nice, isn't it? The Pixel 6a's 12.2 megapixel wide-angle camera lets you take great photos like these and record great video.
Oh, and speaking of great videos, to make sure you don't miss any future video content from Google Retail Training, hit that subscribe button somewhere down below to get the latest updates on everything you need in store.